Welcome, Thrivers! Whether you're new to minimalism or looking to refine your journey, Quit Clutter offers inspiration and guidance for everyone. Join us if you're ready to quit clutter and organize, optimize, and thrive in your life. Welcome to Tiny Triumphs, Quit Clutter. This is our cell phone edition. Each day we will spotlight the triumph of the day with this frame. This series is designed to be decluttering that we can do together. Each of these videos should be about 10 minutes long and walk you through the steps and mindset of various decluttering activities. The word challenge implies struggle and starts off with a negative mindset. Instead, we are going to triumph over small changes that will build up over time. We are going to organize, optimize, and thrive with our tiny triumphs. If you need a body double to help you get going, let's get started. The most important tool for decluttering is our mindset. Decide if you are going to complete a time period or a task. The task may take longer than this video, so it's important to first decide on your criteria for success. Also, think about the benefits you will enjoy when we're done.
If you haven't already watched the video on the impact your digital footprint has on the environment, I would encourage you to do that with the link above. Today we are tidying our cell phone apps and browser. Some of the benefits include fewer distractions, fewer notifications, and decreasing our carbon footprint. Decide if you are going to complete a set amount of time. I will work for 10 minutes, or I will work for the length of the video, or finish deleting apps. I will work on apps until I am done. With your commitment in mind, take a deep breath in while you think about your I will statement, and again repeat it when you exhale. Breathe in for 3 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds, and exhale for 3 seconds. Repeat this 2 more times. 3 deep breaths helps to calm your brainstem and allow you to focus. If anxiety creeps in while you're working, just pause and take 3 more deep breaths. Okay, now we're ready to triumph. The only tools we need to get started on decluttering our phones is something to write with and a notepad. We want to track our progress. Plus, if something needs follow-up, you can jot it down and stay focused on decluttering. At the end, we'll either tackle those follow-ups or create a reminder. This is my real phone, so I'll block a few things out along the way. Anyone notice the time? These pictures are for Android, so the navigation might be a little different on iPhones, but our goals are the same. First, turn on Do Not Disturb. You will still see the notifications, but you won't hear them. We are on a mission here. Settings. Look at that. I already have multiple notifications since turning on Do Not Disturb. Digital detox is another aspect that we'll examine later in this series. Battery and device care. There are some other great aspects to explore in this menu, like modes. But let's stay focused on decluttering. Jot down your starting numbers. I had a couple of notifications up here. Looks like it's been quite a while since I restarted my phone, so I'll do that after we finish today. Let's look at the overall storage situation. It looks like apps has the most data, followed by documents. Let's do apps today. Before starting on apps, I want a quick win. I'm going to open Chrome and see how many tabs I have open. It doesn't even give me a number, just a smiley face. Yeah, that's not good.
A few moments later.
After swiping through 300 tabs, I stopped counting and just closed the tabs. Freed up a tiny bit of space. Let's start with apps. I had to recount it twice because I can't believe that I have 247 apps on my phone. That's not counting what's in the Google, Microsoft, and Samsung folders. So let's set an intention regarding apps. For each one, I am going to ask myself, do I use the app or the website more often? Is there a benefit to using one over the other, like getting Acorns deposits? When is the last time I used this app? Does thinking about deleting the app give me fear of missing out, FOMO? What do I lose or give up by deleting the app? Is that a good thing, fewer notifications, or a bad thing, missing a sale? Don't get distracted by the apps. We're deleting apps, not using them. Don't mind the passage of time on my phone. I'm writing a script at the same time, so it's going to take me longer. Red boxes are 21 plus, and green boxes are financial. On this first screen, I'm going to delete the AAA app because it takes me to the main site and not to my local one. I do use AARP and the City Reporting app, so I'm going to keep those. FYI, AARP has no age limit to join. We joined at 45 and started using those benefits. Boost! Acorns is a great app for building a retirement nest egg in little steps, just like our tiny triumphs. Acorns is not currently an affiliate of this channel. Ace Hardware. I use the website more often than the app, so I'm going to delete that. Plus, I don't need all those sales notifications. Airbnb. I hardly ever use the app, so I'm going to delete that as well. Definitely keeping all my Amazon apps. A casino guide. Great coupons. But I forget to even use when I'm going, so I'm going to delete that as well. Keep my banking apps for sure. Angie. I don't use the service very often, and I tend to use the website more than the app, so I'm going to delete that one as well. You get the idea. Cam Scanner is a perfect example of a note for later. I've been using this app for more than a decade, and I have 95 files to review there. I'm going to put this on the notepad and keep going. Delete CDC from COVID days. Chime, Cool LED, a gadget that I bought and never set up. Coursera, a certification that I completed last year. CPK, never go. Deleting Dave & Buster's Diet Bet, note to cancel Disney Plus because we never use it. Also Dog Whistle, Dog TV, Domino's, Dropbox, and Dunkin'. Not an affiliate or sponsor, but FlyLady Plus is a fantastic app to help with decluttering and routines. Freebie alerts. Who needs more stuff? Gas Buddy. Make a note to later go clean up my inbox. Glassdoor. Tasks is outdated, so delete. Deleting Hulu, iHealth, Indeed, Jack in the Box Keyring is a great organizer for all of those membership cards. I haven't used the mileage tracker app recently, but it's a great app when I need it. Deleting Mint, which is now Credit Karma. NFL, because I never watch. New Mexico Notify, from COVID. NMSF. I don't think I've been to a state fair in more than a decade. 1ABQ, old app, replaced. Deleting Pandora, Panera, Parkmobile, from a trip before the pandemic. Pizza Hut, never logs in correctly. Prezi, Google Podcasts, no longer works, and I hate podcasts, so... Deleting Quick Measure, Red Lobster. Resound Relief is a great tool for masking sounds and tinnitus relief. Focus, we're deleting apps. Schlotsky's, Sensor List, Sephora. I use the website more often, plus I get acorns. Deleting Slim Fast, great keto resources, but never use it. Smart Family, we don't have children. Sports Plus, Station Casinos, Stay Connect. I'll download it again when I need it again. And Subway, because every single order is wrong and there's no fixing it. I've tried. Deleting the CW, Transcriber, Transfer Companion, Uber Eats, TikTok. By the time I got to this screen, I had 15 notifications. I'm on the fence. I don't use it that often and get constant notifications that I don't want. I'm going to make a note for follow-up. Not quite ready today, TPB. Make a note to make sure subscription is canceled. Deleting Yahoo News and Zoom. I only ever use it on desktop. Deleted 53 apps. So 194 apps left. I've freed up 5.3 GB of storage and 0.9 GB of memory. Comment and share your success stories. Now I am going to go into Google Tasks and create reminders for each of the follow-up items on my notepad. I am also going to create a reminder to declutter my apps every 6 months. A side triumph. Consider going into notifications and choosing which apps can notify you. We'll talk about this again in the final video. Digital detox. For now, I'm turning TikTok off while I decide whether or not to delete the app. Day 2 complete.
Congratulations! You did it! You have less clutter. We have more tiny triumphs coming daily, until the week is finished. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. The playlist for this Tiny Triumph series is also linked above. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on decluttering, personal growth and moderate minimalism. Wow, Thrivers! We accomplished a lot today. Thanks for watching, and share your tiny triumph from today's session in the comments section below. Embark on this journey of decluttering together in order to organize, optimize and thrive with Quit Clutter. See you in the next video, Thrivers. Congratulations.